everyone, you want to have a nice loading animation on page load on your Bubble app? I got your back. It's super easy. The first thing you have to do is actually look for a loading GIF that you like and that works for you and that you're also allowed to use. For that example, I'm just gonna pick this one because I think it's cute. But yeah, make sure that you're actually authorized to use that on your app. Here is just for private use, so we're not gonna say anything. Okay, I got my GIF. On your page, you're gonna have to separate the actual page content, so everything that is gonna be loaded, and put it all inside a group. You can call it group loaded or whatever. And then you're gonna drag an image element on the top of that group. So here I'm having my image loading element. For now, I didn't add my image, so I'm gonna do that right now. Let's add my little loading GIF. So now we just have to add 2 conditions and that's gonna be it. It's gonna work. So first we need to make sure that when the page is loaded entirely, it's no for this content, then this element is visible. Then we uncheck that. So it means that when it's not loaded, it's not visible. And make sure to check the collapse when hidden checkbox. So this way your page height is not gonna be all weird. And you can copy that condition and we're gonna reuse it for our little image. Let's get there. And here is gonna be the opposite. So when page loaded entirely is yes, then we hide the elements and make sure that you're actually collapsing when it's hidden. Okay, let's test it out, see what it looks like. Yep, we're all set. It's working as expected. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe as usual. Bye.